Hi guys, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to recover your Telegram account without your phone number and your email. The question now is it possible? Is it possible to recover your Telegram account without your email or phone number? The answer is no. It is not possible to recover your Telegram account without your phone number. You must have your phone number before you be able to recover your Telegram account. So what you have to do is to enter your phone number and this first space provided, and the email will be sent as a code. The code will be sent to your email. You have to go there and copy it, or sometimes it will be sent to the phone number that you entered. So guys, take note of this. Anybody that tells you that you can recover your Telegram account without your phone number is possibly lying. It's just same thing like WhatsApp that requires just only your phone number. Same thing applies to Telegram. It requires just your phone number. So without it, you cannot have access to your Telegram account. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.